Looking for an affordable, eco-friendly ride? You're in the right place. In this video, we'll reveal the best electric bikes under $500. Perfect for commuting, cruising, or weekend adventures without breaking the bank. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Jasion EB5 electric bike. The Jasion EB5 electric bike strikes a strong balance between performance, convenience, and affordability, making it a practical choice for both daily commuters and casual riders. Powered by a 500W peak motor, this e-bike reaches a top speed of 20 miles per hour, providing just the right amount of zip for urban streets and suburban paths without pushing into high-speed territory. The upgraded LCD display panel is a thoughtful addition, offering adjustable backlight brightness from levels 1 to 5. Riders can easily monitor essential data such as audio, maximum and average speed, and pedal assist (PAS) modes, which can be customized up to 3 levels for a tailored riding experience. One standout feature is the removable 360Wh battery, which provides a respectable range of 25 to 40 miles per charge, depending on terrain and rider habits. The convenience of removing the battery for charging at home or in the office adds to its versatility. The EB5 also excels in riding comfort and safety. Its 26-inch puncture-resistant tires offer durability on varied surfaces, while the high-strength front fork suspension absorbs bumps effectively, improving ride smoothness. The inclusion of 7-speed gears lets riders adapt to different gradients and riding styles. Furthermore, both front and rear mechanical disc brakes deliver reliable stopping power in all conditions. The bike features 4 working modes: PAS, Pure Electric, Pedal Only, and Booster, catering to a range of user preferences and scenarios, including uphill pushes at a steady 4.5 to 7.5 kilometers per hour. Number 2. Funhang electric bike for adults. The Funhang electric bike for adults stands out for its impressive performance specs and rider-centric features, making it an excellent option for anyone looking to tackle varied terrains or enjoy a fast, comfortable commute. At the heart of this e-bike is a 500W motor that peaks at 1000W, delivering the strength needed to effortlessly conquer steep hills, rough trails, and urban streets alike. Its top speed reaches a confident 21.7 miles per hour, offering a little extra punch over typical commuter bikes without compromising on control or safety. Powering the Funhang is a 48V3 74.4Wh IPX 5 waterproof lithium-ion battery that supports up to 30 miles on pure electric mode and 50 miles in pedal assist mode, depending on rider weight and road conditions. The battery's removable design ensures hassle-free charging at home, the office, or on the go, while the included 2 keys offer added security. Designed for riders between 5.3 to 6.1 feet, the bike's adjustable stem angle, ranging from -30 degrees to 30 degrees, caters to different riding positions and preferences, enhancing ergonomic comfort. Practical features like full front and rear fenders keep splashes at bay, and a powerful headlight ensures visibility for night rides. The bike also boasts lockable front suspension, a 21-speed gear system, and a comfortable, well-cushioned saddle. Its clear LCD screen keeps all essential ride stats, such as speed, battery life, and assist mode, easily accessible. Number 3. Isinwheel U1 electric bike. Compact, capable, and cleverly designed, the Isinwheel U1 electric bike is a nimble and practical option for city dwellers and anyone in need of a highly portable e-bike solution. Despite its small 14-inch frame, the U1 packs a surprising punch with a 500W motor, enabling it to handle 15 degrees inclines with ease and achieve a top speed of 20 miles per hour. The bike integrates intelligent algorithms to automatically adjust assistance when climbing, making uphill rides smooth and strain-free. Its 36V 7.8Ah battery, concealed within the frame for added protection, charges swiftly in just 3 to 4 hours and provides a decent range of up to 25 miles in pedal assist mode. Portability is where the U1 truly shines. With foldable handlebars, pedals, and an adjustable seat, it compresses into an impressively compact footprint of less than 0.15 cubic meters, ideal for fitting in car trunks, elevators, or small apartment storage spaces. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The U1 holds UL 2849 certification, ensuring it meets strict e-bike safety standards. Dual disc brakes provide reliable stopping power in all conditions, while bright front and rear lights increase visibility during nighttime commutes. The bike offers 3 variable ride modes: pure electric, pedal assist, and traditional pedal only, with 3 levels of assist speed to suit traffic conditions and personal preference. Number 4. Qlife Racer Electric Bike. The Qlife Racer Electric Bike is designed for versatility and adventure, offering a well-rounded package that caters to commuting, leisure rides, and even light off-roading. It's powered by a 750W peak brushless motor, capable of reaching a top speed of 22 miles per hour, providing ample power to tackle various terrains. The professional 21-speed gear system ensures smooth shifting and enables riders to adjust easily between flat streets and challenging inclines. This e-bike supports 4 riding modes: manual, pedal-assisted, pure electric, and a useful walking assist mode for navigating steep inclines or busy walkways. The removable 36V 10.4 IUL 2849 certified battery boasts anti-theft and waterproof protection and charges fully in just 4 hours. It provides a reliable range of up to 25 miles in throttle mode and 40 miles with pedal assist. A youthful, modern commuter's bike at heart, the Qlife Racer features dual front suspension for enhanced comfort, a sturdy 26-inch tire setup, and key safety elements like a front light and rear reflective sheet. The integrated LCD screen is easy to read and provides all the vital riding data, including speed, battery level, and assist settings. Weighing in at 48.1 pounds, it strikes a good balance between stability and portability. The addition of front and rear fenders helps protect against mud and splashes, ensuring cleaner rides in unpredictable weather. Number 5. Racer 28 miles per hour mountain bike. The Racer 28 miles per hour mountain bike is a high-powered option tailored for riders craving speed, versatility, and adventure. Engineered with a peak 1200W brushless motor, this bike offers exhilarating performance, reaching speeds of up to 28 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest in its category. Its professional 21-speed gear set allows seamless transitions between different terrains and riding conditions, whether on mountain trails, city streets, or country roads. 4 working modes, including manual, pedal-assisted, pure electric, and walking assist, make the Racer highly adaptable to various scenarios, from uphill treks to leisurely urban rides. The 48V 10.4 IUL 2849 certified battery delivers a solid range of up to 40 miles in throttle mode and an impressive 55 miles with pedal assist, ensuring your adventures are never cut short. The battery charges in about 4 hours and features a waterproof, anti-theft design with a secure key system. Additional safety features such as front lights and a rear reflective sheet enhance visibility for nighttime or low-light conditions. Front and rear fenders protect against splashes, making this e-bike suitable for a variety of weather conditions. Weighing 48.1 pounds, it offers a sturdy yet manageable build. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.